So siguro nakita ko lang yung timing namin sa pag medyo disorganized namin as game namin against UST. And then siguro hindi na maximize ko ano naman sa namin yung middle namin medyo limit yung mga sets. So ngayon medyo happy ako dahil ito pa na maximize yung middle.
Siobhan, for you personally, I think you didn't get to see much action in set 3 to 5 against UST, and now going back and having this big game, I guess what was your primary motivation and mindset going into this match?
Like I said earlier, for me, my goal was to just have fun, enjoy the game. Because when you're enjoying the game, that's when you pretty much play your best.
For Angel, after your loss against, after the South's loss against UST, a lot was said sa social media, whether good or bad. How are you able to tune out lahat ng mga yun just to focus on your upcoming this game on Ateneo and Q1?
I was able to tune out everything of that because I have no social media right now. So, wala akong nakikita kahit anong mang negative or positive yung sinasabi ko nila. Wala pa akong nakikita. For me, it's important for me to protect my peace of mind talaga. So, yan, wala pa ng social media. So, pero malaking po salamat po sa mga positive comments, sa mga lumalapit sa family ko. Maraming salamat po sa kanila kasi yun po talaga yung totoong nagsusupport.
Coach, after yung kumbaga laki ng lamang nyo nung first set tas nung second ticket, kumbaga paano nyo lang na assure na hindi kayo makukuha ng isang set ng Ateneo despite 22 all kayo nung second set?
Actually yung second set medyo daming service errors and then naging ahead agad yung Ateneo, so medyo nakabul kami and then hindi rin ma-sustain yung mga tamang ginagawa, so madami pa ding errors hanggang sa umabot doon sa 20 hanggang naging close yung score. So actually nakapitan naman hanggang sa end ng second set. Yun naman yung maganda.
Coach, 13 straight na po ang Lasal against Ateneo. Siguro ano na po masasabi sa consistency at continuity na rin ng program, lalo na against a big rival?
Ako hindi ko naman tinitingnan yun kung sino naman yung dumating sa amin. Paghandaan namin inside Ateneo, UST, FEU. Lahat ng schools para sa amin, big game sa amin yun. So kung nataon lang na ganun kalayo na yung ganun kahaba yung winning tradition namin doon sa Ateneo, siguro hindi pa lang ito yung time para siguro manalo sila sa akin.
Coach, your thoughts lang dun sa Ateneo team ngayon, young, rebuilding, pero lumalaban pa rin.
Actually, maganda. Very promising yung team nila. Hindi ko pwedeng biru-biruin. So, kailangan talaga every sets, pagandaan mo, magbigay ka ng respeto kahit sila tao.